Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play SnowRunner with mods. First, navigate to the main menu and select the mods option. You might need to confirm your email and create a freemod.io account to get started. This in-game browser is your gateway to a vast library of community-created content, including new vehicles, maps, and various gameplay enhancements. It's designed to make modding accessible for everyone, whether you play on PC or console. Once in the mod browser, you can easily explore a diverse range of modifications. Use the sorting and filtering options to find specific types of content, like powerful new trucks or challenging custom maps. When you find a mod that catches your eye, simply click subscribe to begin the download. Remember that console players have a storage limit, typically around 4,000 megabytes, so manage your subscriptions wisely. After a mod finishes downloading, it's crucial to enable it from your subscribed list within the mod browser. For new vehicles, head to any truck store in your game, and you'll find your newly added modded trucks ready for purchase. If you've downloaded a custom map, you'll access it by starting a new game and selecting the Custom Scenarios option. This integrates your chosen content seamlessly into your SnowRunner experience. To ensure a smooth modding experience, always keep your subscribed mods updated. Outdated mods can sometimes cause unexpected issues or crashes. Console players should also monitor their active mod memory usage, as exceeding limits can prevent new mods from enabling. If you face any difficulties, such as an empty mod menu or subscription errors, a simple logout and relog into your mod.io account often resolves the problem, getting you back on the road quickly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.